Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about Tropical Depression Celia, as right now, still a tropical depression, but it's expected to intensify all the way to hurricane strength. So, let's take a look here at the National Hurricane Center page, and starting off here with the warnings and cone. So right now our cone is showing here, let's put on the forecast track line, this storm becoming a tropical storm overnight, Monday night into Tuesday, and becoming a hurricane on Thursday, and staying a hurricane through Saturday. Right time of winds with wind speed probabilities turned on, now showing up to a 60 to 70% chance of tropical storm force winds between Tuesday at 8 p.m. and Thursday at 8 p.m. And of course things taper off after then because the confidence level goes down. But we are starting to see, with those wind speed probabilities, the hurricane wind speed probabilities starting to show up here. Now at a 10 to 20% chance, although that is low for about 5 days out. That's not horrible. So, let's take a look here at the European model. Here is Celia, 1008 millibars. And as this system continues to move off to the west, you can see that it kind of meanders around that 1005 marker and really doesn't start to intensify here until the 22nd, that is Wednesday. And you can see that it starts to take this turn toward the northwest, and as it does so, it does start to strengthen a little bit more rapidly, moving into Friday now, before about Saturday, Sunday, where it does start to weaken off, and then Monday it weakens considerably. So, I think that this storm is going to be either a strong tropical storm or a low-end hurricane. Actually, let's take a look at the current storm information here. And intensity guidance. Oh, okay. So, right now, this is a boom or bust storm. You have a few models showing staying at tropical depression, plenty of models showing peaking at tropical storm, most of the models having a peak at mid-level Cat 1, and a couple even at Cat 2. So, I mean, it's a wide range. I mean, this could be a little bit consolidated in the next 24 hours here, as most of the models that have it as either a low-end tropical storm or a tropical depression kind of have it staying fairly weak within the next 24 hours. So the next 24 hours will eliminate a few of those possible outcomes. But really the main difference here between strong tropical storm, Cat 1, and Cat 2 is going to be decided within the next 72 hours. If at 72 hours this is either a mid to strong Category 1, we'll see it potentially up to Category 2. If it's not, then maybe Category 1 strong tropical storm. I think that's the benchmarker here, 60 to 72 hours, right within this range here. But looking at this is very interesting. Right, you have our cluster here of the spaghetti strains, I like to call them, having it right around that mid-level Category 1, peaking right around the forecast hour 96, so 4 days from now, which is Friday. Now, going back here to the European model, let's move back here and take a look here at our wind speeds. So 10 meter winds. You can see here, not much until European model doesn't even have it as a tropical storm for much of this until that is Thursday and even into Friday too. What the? Yeah, the European model has this as a dud. Then you have, let's go to the GFS. Does the GFS have it? The GFS has it closer to Category 2. Okay. Like, huh? So, the GFS has this booming. The European model has it busting. take your pick at this point. Yeah. The bad news here is, let's go to our hurricane model. Let's use this here. Is that these islands over here are kind of in this limbo. Now, it's going to be far enough off the coast where I don't think it's going to matter much. But if this does get to that Category 2 threshold, maybe even more using the HWRF, we could see a huge difference here between a few of these models in these islands off the coast of Baja California. Not with the wind speeds or the rainfall, but just potential storm surge, flooding, just from the winds in the region pushing around the water. Let's see, can we get... I don't think that is on here. Let's actually go back to... I think the European model does have this. Let's see. If it does, I'll be surprised. Significant wave height. There it is. Okay. So, across those islands off the coast there, up to 15 feet, according to the European model. The GFS, on the other hand, has this probably also around... Okay, we're going to go back to mile runs. Perfect. Yeah, 21 feet. So, I think the impacts will be felt either way. But if you live in these islands off the coast of Baja California, just pay attention to this storm. But that is a quick update there. That is all I have for today. If you found this video informative, consider leaving a like, subscribing, and hitting the bell. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.